Alright, welcome everybody. This is basically, I'm not even considering this as a science experiment. It's just a basic intrigue question that some of you might have. I'm telling this for the youngsters out there because probably they ask themselves the question and then they don't know the answer. And that's the reason we're going to do what I'm going to show you a little basic, not even experiment, it's a basic thing, a basic question we're trying to answer right now using science. So for the family out there, you're probably well aware about what I'm going to explain and to show right there. But this specifically for the youngsters. So what we're going to need to do this experiment is two material. We're going to need a cup and we're going to need a diaper. So there's different brand of diapers out there in the market. I'm using the Huggies. Okay, so first the first question you could ask yourself right now to verify how much water can you pour in a diaper. And with the cup, fill the cup. That's the first one. Here's the diaper. Okay, it's right there. Fill the diaper. That's my first cup. Gently, I'm just gonna pour that here. Okay, make sure that the water doesn't spill. Okay, out of the diaper. So if you look, well, I spilled a little bit there, but if you look inside the diaper, there's still part of it. There's a dark blue and a light blue. So the good news about that is both of them absorb water. Now the question you probably ask is why you have the dark blue and the light blue. I'm assuming that some of the light blue part get into contact with your skin more than some of the dark blue part get into contact with your skin than the light blue, but both of them has absorbent material. Okay, now I'm just gonna fill again. That's the second cup there, and let's see how much water it would contain. We're just pouring it here. I don't know if you can see it properly. It's being poured. Now, it's a cup of water. Now, can we overspill that one? You could try it yourself to see if you have kids. Try to see if you can overspill it. Now, the water is fully contained in there. Now, the intrigue question is like, this is filled with 2 cups of water. Can we put more? Probably yes. But let's see right now. If you rip this apart, what are you seeing in there? Which we're doing right now, this is what you see. Now, I don't know if you can see it clearly, it just reminds you snow. If you live in Canada or anywhere in the North American part of the US, or northern part of the US, it reminds you snow. A little type of jelly type snow. What if you're from the South? If you're from the South, well, you probably could compare that as cracking ice. Cracking ice, that's exactly what it is. So now for sure what you could say is that there's not really ice. This is basically absorbent material, right? Absorbent material that just absorbs the water. It resembles gel. So that's what you really get in there. So for the youngsters out there, you cannot eat that. Do not recommend that. Those are chemicals. Now, are they toxic chemicals? The answer is probably not, right? But you could do some experiment later on or ask the company to provide you the components of that. Probably they won't, because that would probably considered secret materials for themselves, but do not recommend to eat that. Okay, that does it for us today. Thank you for watching. Recommend this video to your friend, and we will put some more in the future.